Yeah. Fresh vet. We overseas with this one, man. Get busy. Get busy. Everybody get busy. I need y'all to report to the dance floor right this minute.
Morning guys, it is Kass. Welcome back to Not Enough Nelsons. Today's video, the kids are going to freak out. So we are doing a slime challenge. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've never played with slime. Can you believe it? So before we get started with this slime challenge, make sure that you're subscribed down below to Not Enough Nelsons. Hit the notification bell so you can get all of our video updates. Also, follow us on Instagram and give this video a big thumbs up. You know the drill. All right guys, so I brought some special people with me to help me with this challenge. All right guys, I have
NayVee, PaisLee,
yes,
LiLee,
Luke, and Luke. All right, I only brought 4 slime helpers. Now, what does mom say the rule is about slime?
No slime.
But today is an exception. Let's go. So the other kids are at home. They do not know this challenge yet, but you are the 4 lucky people. So this is what you need to do.
Okay.
You 4 need to fill this entire cart with slime ingredients, okay?
That's gonna be easy.
Go, 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 now. Go, 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 go. So what the kids don't know is there is a secret ingredient for each one of them. But they're gonna be blindfolded and have to pick it out of a basket. So they don't know what the secret ingredient is. They don't even know that they're gonna have secret ingredients, guys. But this is gonna put a little twist on the challenge, so it's gonna make it way more fun. Josh, you ready for this challenge?
I'm ready.
I'm so ready. So let's go find some secret ingredients. All right, guys, pause. We found some fans. What's your guys' names?
Peyton.
Peyton?
And Cassie.
Thanks so much for watching our videos, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. You guys put these in the cart?
Yeah.
I didn't say you could get accessories for slime, people. I said you had to get ingredients for slime only, okay? No accessories.
We could get more glue. But that's how you like make slime. You have to have like accessories to make it pretty.
Sorry, just stuff for slime. Sorry, just stuff for slime, that's all. All right guys, what they don't know is I'm getting the secret ingredients. Ha ha ha. They picked some good ones for me to start with. All right guys, so we found some secret ingredients. Josh found something. Show the camera.
All right, so I found this secret ingredient. We're gonna go with colored paper clips.
Paper clips.
Oh yeah.
The next thing that I found are 3 little secret ingredients. I have color changing glue. I'm trying to decide between yellow and red or purple and blue. Which one should I get, guys? Yellow and red or purple and blue? Which one do you think, babe?
Purple and blue.
All right, we're gonna go with purple and blue. And then the next secret ingredient is, bam, glow in the dark glue. We gotta keep searching for more ingredients though, because these need to be secret and really good. All right, Josh found another secret ingredient.
What are these called?
We're gonna take the girls' idea and they're like beads.
Yeah.
Beads, ooh. Buttons is the next one. Dun, dun, dun. Do you have any ideas? We're in the art
I think we should get some eyeballs.
Eyeballs? We should get a little bigger than that.
All right.
Crazy. Oh, yes.
Or these ones.
Which one should we get? Smaller?
medium.
Medium. Okay. Medium size?
Medium
eyeballs.
wiggly eyes.
Ooh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. Should we get jingle bells?
Yeah.
All right, jingle bells.
Why not?
That'll be fun. Okay, guys, I found water beads. I'm not even sure what these are, but they look so cool to put in slime. These are good.
All right.
All right, guys, I don't even know what these are. Oh, slime balls. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know these
Smile.
were. Oh, smile balls?
Slime.
Slime balls. All right, guys, we're thinking some glitter. All right, guys, when me and Josh were thinking, we need to get some extra items just in case. So we are gonna get some sprinkles, maybe some like dye, food dye, and also we were thinking about getting instant, dun dun dun, snow, guys, instant snow. All right, guys, Josh found the instant snow. The kids have been wanting instant snow so bad, so they're definitely gonna fight over this. We're gonna see who can get this blindfolded, guys. This is gonna be a rough one. Holy cow, guys. We have gotten so much slime stuff. I can't even believe it right now. We are gonna go check out and then we're gonna go home and have the slime party competition, guys. Challenge. Let's go. Here we go, guys.
Okay.
Hey guys, who are we? We are All right, some of you don't know what this challenge is. Can you tell by the looks what it is?
Yeah!
1, 2, 3, slime! Alright, this is how this challenge is gonna go. Each one of you get to make your very own slime. Whatever kind you want. But guess what?
What?
This is how you win. Everyone's gonna make their slime and Beckham is going to choose the winner! Beckham, you ready? Yeah? Alright, well, Beckham's gonna play with this slime while everyone else makes their slime, alright? Alright! So this is how this challenge goes, guys. First, you each get a see-through bowl, all right? Wait, hold on. I'm gonna do something cool. Everybody, snap on 3. 1, 2, 3, snap! Bam! That's right. You each have a bowl now.
Wait, where's mine?
It is on your head. All right, and so obviously right here is all of the supplies that you guys can use
Oh yeah.
for now. But you may be wondering why there is a blindfold right here. Are you wondering?
Yeah!
Well, let's just say I have some secret
No!
ingredients. All right, guys, in here is the basket of secret ingredients, which nobody can see. So, each one of you are gonna be blindfolded, and you're going to pick one of my secret ingredients, and that is what you get to make your slime with. You got it? That is the one addition that you will have to make a cool or weird slime. Yes!
Do we do it at the end?
We're doing it now, baby! Woo! All right, Jaine, you are first. So put that blindfold on, and you're gonna choose out of the mystery basket.
Okay.
All right, the first item that you touch is the one that you get.
Okay.
Her hand's going in. Oh, all right. Googly eyes.
What the heck?
All right, NayVee, you're over the edge. Oh, items touched. Take off your blindfold. Instant snow. All right, LiLee. First item you touch. Oh, she got foam balls. Let's go. All right, next we have PaisLee. What is the first item she's gonna touch? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, you got sprinkles. All right, it is ElleCee's turn. Here she goes. Stop. Grab it. Oh, paper clips. DeLayNee. Here she goes. Oh, what'd you get? What'd you get? Oh, buttons. All right, PresLee. Oh, you got shake 'em, girl. Jingle bells. All right, guys, it is Luke's turn. Here he goes. Here he goes. Open up. What? Glow in the dark glue. Let's go. She's jealous. All right, it is SaiDee's turn. Items. Okay, here she goes. Oh! What is it?
Changing.
Changing colors. Let's go. Changing color
Touch
blue.
it, it turns purple.
Whoa. All right, guys. Lastly, it's Josh. We have 3 items left. What is he gonna pick? Oh. What is it?
What is this?
I have no idea. I thought it looked like glass.
All right.
Shimmery stuff. All right, now that everyone has picked their ingredients, who's ready to make slime? time to add your secret ingredient. Who should I pick first? Ding, ding, ding. LC, you are first. Come add your secret ingredient. Here we go. It's paper clips. Here she goes. All right, LC is putting them all in. She wants this to look like what?
Strawberry rainbow slime.
Strawberry rainbow slime. Whoa, now mix that up. Holy cow, look at that, guys. Whoa, all right, we'll come back to you later. Who's gonna be next? I'm going with Luke. Dun, dun, dun. All right, Luke, he has his slime, which is not activated. And what is your secret ingredient again?
Glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark, let's see it, put it in. Now that looks amazing. Come on, wow, yes. All right, guys, he's mixing his slime. Whoa, look at that! Holy cow, that looked like a glitter world something. Wow, now that looks awesome. All right, I'm gonna leave him working on his. Who's next? LiLee! All right, LiLee has these slime balls. I wanna see these go in here. All right, we got some white slime. Whoa!
That is so not fair.
All right, let's mix. Oh, I want that slime. Oh my gosh. All right, we will see the final result. Who's next? Josh. All right, he's putting them in. Whoa, holy cow. I want to see that mixed. Here we go. Mix it up. Oh my, look at that, guys. Now that looks like a slime I can see my reflection in. My favorite. All right, nice. We're gonna see that later. I can't wait to see the final results of all these slime. Who's next? Da, 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 da. Jaine. All right, Jaine. What's your secret ingredient?
Googly eyes. I'm gonna add in all of them. I thought like a Mike Wazowski theme.
That is so cute. Let's mix it up. Here we go. Oh.
That just sounds very satisfying.
That sound. Guys, look at that. Oh my gosh.
Maybe I'll use my hand.
All right, guys. I can't wait to see the final result of that one. Who's next? All right, I'm thinking PresLee should go next with her blue slime and those bells. All right, here we go.
I love jingle bells.
Whoa!
Give me that bell. I'm adding all of them.
Oh my gosh. Look at those jingle bells. All right, let's see you mix it. Holy cow. This is going to be so cool. Holy yes, that is amazing. All right, I'm thinking next should be SaiDee. That's right. Here's your slime. All right, SaiDee, you have the color changing. I can't wait to see this color change. All right, here she goes. Looks blue, but what is it really?
It's gonna be purple.
Oh,
that is so satisfying.
Wow, that looks really cool. All right, she's mixing it up. Let's see, it looks blue. Is it gonna change? Is it gonna change color? I'm wondering. All right, next is gonna be PaisLee. All right, here she goes. Sprinkle cupcake slime. Oh, wow, I wanna eat that.
Turning yellow.
Oh my,
I don't want the unicorn things. Get out of my slime.
Uh-oh, looks like you're toast maybe. All right, next we have DeLayNee. All right, here she goes. Let's see those buttons come in. Here we go. Wow, all right, let's see them put in. Whoa, she decided to put them all in. Whoa, that is noisy slime.
Oh, they just fell out.
Well, we'll see how that works at the end. Hopefully we can figure out something. All right, our last person is NayVee and her snow. All right, she's opening up the snow. I want to see how this works in the slime. All right, here she goes. Whoa. All right, guys, we can't see now, but we will see later how NayVee's turns out. Is it gonna be like snow? We'll see. All right, I found
Beckham.
Yeah, Beckham. All right, Beckham, are you ready to judge the slimes? Are you ready to pick which one's your favorite? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you really sure?
Yeah.
Woo! All right, follow me. Beckham, are you ready to judge? Whoa, what is he doing with those lips? What are you doing with those lips, Phoebe? That's not Beckham. Beckham, come here. There you are, Beckham. You ready to judge? Beckham is ready to judge this challenge. All right, so I'm gonna give you each of the slime and you get to play with it. And then at the end, you get to tell me your favorite one. So first, this is called Raining Jingle Bells. All right, you can play with it. Let's see what you think. Whoa. All right, what do you think of that slime?
Good.
It's good?
Yeah.
All right, I think he's liking the jingle bells. All right, Beckham, your next slime. This one is called Button World. Ooh, what do you think of those buttons? Good?
The little one.
Little ones. Do you like this one as much?
Yeah.
What is this one called?
Button World.
Button World. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, Beckham, this next one is called Iceberg. This is SaiDee's. Whoa, what do you think of that one? Holy cow. Oh no.
It's too messy.
It's too messy. Yeah, you're right. It's getting all over your hands, bud.
Dada.
You what?
Dada.
You're stuck. Oh no. Oh, he's stuck. Oh, get it, get it, get it. All right, Beckham, this one is Josh's and it's called Kass's Reflection. All right, you ready to play with it? Whoa, is it crunchy?
Yeah.
What the? Now that is crazy. What do you think? Good?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Sprinkles on me.
Did it leave the sprinkles on you? Let me see your hands. Whoa. All right, Beckham, this one is Rainbow Slime. This is ElleCee's. So let's see. What is that? What the?
Paper clip.
It's paper clips. All right, Beckham, this one is Luke's and it's called Light Up Your Night. Whoa, is that so cool?
Not sticky.
It's not sticky?
No.
Oh, that's awesome. That's a plus. And Beckham, guess what?
What?
This one is, look at me,
Yeah.
glow in the dark. Can you see, is it glow in the dark? He says yes when it's not even dark. So cool. All right, this is called Poppin' Party, and this is LiLee's. Let me see it. Whoa, do you like it? That one looks fun. The crunch?
Yeah.
It does do a crunch, huh?
Yeah.
Crunching
like
noise.
Krispies.
It's like Rice Krispie treats.
Yeah.
He thinks this one sounds and feels like Rice Krispie treats. I agree, I want to eat it. All right, this was a request from Beckham. He wanted this one of PaisLee's. This, what is it called?
Sprinkles.
Yep, it's called Unicorn Slime and it's PaisLee's. Whoa, there's sprinkles in there. Yummy. Cool, right?
Yeah. Did I eat it?
Can you eat it?
Yeah.
No, you can't eat slime. Crazy? All right, this next one is pink, and guess what's in it?
What?
Snow.
What? I can't feel now.
You can't feel the snow?
No.
There's real, well, kind of real snow in there. Oh, is that cool? Whoa.
On my hand.
Is it getting on your hands?
Yeah.
What? Wow.
It might run out to get on my hand.
Yeah, it's really getting on them.
Fork on it.
What?
Why is there a fork in it?
Is there a fork in it?
Yeah.
What? I don't think so.
Yeah.
Oh, there is a fork in it. I didn't even see that. Whoa! Did you see that? What the? You put stuff in it. called Green Alien Monster. Whoa, what do you think? That's pretty cool, right? Yeah. Oh, you see the eyes in there? Is that really creepy? All right, Beckham, you have touched all the slimes and played with them. So, you get to now pick the one that you want to be the winner. So, we have all these slimes in front of you. Which one are you gonna pick? Which one's the winner? All right, he's giving all of them a feel to make sure. He's really trying to decide which one's gonna be the winner. Pick up the ball, whichever one you like the very best. Oh no. Oh, he's gonna push that one away. Oh, he put that one to the side. He tricked me. Oh, he's putting that to the side. That's not one. Oh, he put it to the side. All right, he only has these 4 to choose from now. Blue slime, alien. What? He put buttons over. All right, it's only between these 3. Oh, no snow. Snow's gone. All right, it's out of these 2. Which one's gonna? That means alien. Did you want the alien? Yeah! That means JourNee is the winner! Oh yeah, we have the winner right here. Beckham, why was the green alien your favorite? Just cause, that's all? Because listen, he's speechless. He's speechless. All right, guys, that is the end of our video. JourNee, you are the slime winner. Beckham, high five. You are the best judge ever. Nice job.
Make sure you guys are subscribed down below, hit the notification bell, follow us on Instagram, and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye. We'll see you next week.